The coconut industry today is almost like solving a puzzle. Managing the flow of business across our regional network is essential for our customers around the world. Linaco is a family business founded by my late father and now helmed by my brother and I. We source and process all kinds of coconut products. More than 50% of our products are exported.
Our relationship with Linaco began in 1993. We were the first banker that granted them working capital during the early stage of their expansion. Over the years, we have been supporting their growth as a key player in the region's booming coconut production industry and connecting them through our regional branches to opportunities in the region.
We are based in Malaysia and we have a 24-acre manufacturing plant in Batu Pahat. Indonesia is currently our largest source of coconuts. In recent years, we had a collaboration with a processing plant in Kalimantan. When we shared our plans for expansion in Indonesia, the UOB team did the verification of this partner and they paved the way for Linaco's new factory.
For the Kalimantan expansion, we supported Linaco with funding and working closely with UOB Indonesia to structure solutions that meet the local market requirements. We also helped streamline its financial operations and processes, fully managed by a single group relationship manager. With our established platform, clients are able to connect their businesses to growth opportunities in the region with ease. Our priority as a regional bank is to open doors to opportunities in Asia for businesses. Ultimately, we want to give clients like Linaco the confidence that UOB is there to support their business growth beyond the next generation and beyond borders.
We want to move further upstream to build our total value chain so that we could ensure that the quality and the treatment of all these supply chain are being done properly. Banking with UOB for almost 3 decades, we know that they are not sunshine bankers. They have seen us through good times and bad times. And with them, our finances are in good hands.